still in Hobby Lobby looking at their tools. I believe a tool like this or one like this would be good for the special eclips that cuckoo clocks have that are compression fit on to take them off. They're under the jewelry section. I'm not going to buy them just to prove that they will work, but I'm pretty sure that they will work. Or this tool right here, grounded off some. But I'm pretty sure one of these tools in here will work to get the special eclips on cuckoo clocks off. Check it out and subscribe to my YouTube channel.